Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I am a chartered accountant and CFA who helps my clients invest. So as such, you only need four things, four investment products in your portfolio. लोग उसको बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देते हैं. लोग 5, 10, 15, 20 things में इन्वेस्ट करने जाते हैं. But actually you need only four things. Do these four things well and you will do well in life, in your financial goals and in your wealth creation journey. Point 1. Have enough fixed deposits. अभी बैंक फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स कितना होना चाहिए? You should have at least 6 months of your living expenses parked in a bank FD. Okay, plus any financial goals within the next 3 years, maturing within the next 3 years, should also be there in your bank FD. So only two components should be there in your bank FD. One is a 6 months living expenses, 6 to 12 months of living expenses also fine, plus फाइनेंशियल गोल्स मच्योरिंग. जो पैसा आपको 3 साल में लग सकता है, एनी मनी रिक्वायरमेंट विद इन द नेक्स्ट 3 years शुड ऑल्सो बी पार्क्ड इन बैंक एफडी. सो पॉइंट 1, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट 1, बैंक एफडी इज नेसेसरी एंड ओनली फॉर दीज अमाउंट्स विच आई हैव मेंशन्ड. Point 2, you need to have equity mutual funds or hybrid mutual funds for the long term. People try and invest in stocks, people try and invest in other products, but even if you do mutual funds well, you will easily achieve your financial goals. Invest in hybrid mutual funds, invest in equity mutual funds, invest in them for all your financial goals over the next 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20 years. आपके होम का डाउन पेमेंट हो, आपके कार का डाउन पेमेंट हो, आपके चाइल्ड का एजुकेशन हो, चाइल्ड मैरिज हो, आपका रिटायरमेंट हो, ये सब फाइनेंशियल गोल्स का पैसा तो आप इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, हाइब्रिड म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. इतना भी आप करोगे तो भी आपके योर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स विल बी इजीली अचीव्ड. Point 3, you need to have a health insurance which will protect your bank FDs and mutual funds because those are invested for certain goals, correct? If you need the money for hospitalization, that should be paid via the health insurance policy. So you need a health insurance for your family starting today itself. Don't wait because you have an employer plans. You need to have a health insurance for yourself, personal, sufficient, comprehensive health insurance with necessary product features, at least 15, 20, 25, 30 lakh per family member. Higher the better, there is no problem. Point 4, you need to have a term life insurance. If you have kids, if you have dependent spouse, if you have outstanding loans, you need to have a term life insurance which ensures again that your family is protected from these any problems that may arise in future if something happens to you, and even the money that you have accumulated, which is your bank FDs and your mutual funds, will be used in the right fashion only. So I hope you have understood. Only 4 things needed. One is have enough bank FDs, the way I told you, 6 months of contingency reserve, living expenses of contingency reserve, and short-term goals within 3 years should be in your bank FD. Point 2, have your mutual funds in place, equity and hybrid mutual funds for your long-term goals beyond 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Okay, have a health insurance and have a term life insurance. Even if you do these 4 things, you will be sorted in life. You only need 4 things. Thank you so much, everyone.